I think I'm gonna regret this. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. The plant behind me is looking so incredibly dead. Please live, please. Yeah, that's not okay. In today's video I am finally going to dye my hair again because honestly it has been way too long for me. I need dye in my hair, otherwise I won't be able to function. So I'm going to dye my hair. Purple. This is the color Electric Amethyst by Manic Panic. And I've actually never used Manic Panic before, so kind of curious of how it's going to look. I thought like if I dye my hair purple and when it fades it kind of turns into like a silver color, so that's like cool. But I've also heard people say that if you dye your hair purple it can fade into a green. So really hope that that's not going to happen because I sure as hell don't want to use a color remover again. So yeah, let's just get started on the hair dyeing process. Also, I'm drinking my 4th cup of coffee of today and it's only 4 o'clock because I like my teeth to be even more yellow than they already are. So this is the hair dye. I'm just gonna open it. So this is the color I'm going for. And it's actually pretty dark, so I hope it's gonna be able to like wash out completely after a while. But I'm not sure. Let me just... it smells pretty gross. Normally I use those like Lunar Tides hair dyes and they smell amazing, but this one is pretty disgusting. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna put this in my hair because that's kind of how you dye your hair, don't you? And no, I'm not gonna use gloves because I like living on the edge. Here we go. Oh my god, this is such a dark color, but it looks pretty. Gorgeous! A lot of people have been telling me that I should do designs in my hair, like animal prints and everything. And I was actually planning on getting like cow print in my hair. But my hair grows so fast that it's already like too long to do that. Boop, boop, boop. It also looks pretty blue, which I'm not too happy about. But it's already in my hair, so I guess I won't be able to get it out of my hair right now if I don't like it. At first I wasn't actually like planning on dyeing my hair because I did really like the blonde. But honestly, I swear to god, I feel like I'm honestly addicted to dyeing my hair because I just always have the urge to dye it. Like I just always need to change it. I don't know. It's just how I live my life. I actually don't know if I like this color. It looks so blue and I don't like blue. I want it to be purple. I want it to be like the purple of my inner corner. So like most of the front of my hair is covered in hair dye, so I'm just gonna... Maybe I should just do my hair like this every day. It actually doesn't stain my hands as much as I thought it would. So that's good, I think. But honestly, doesn't this look more blue than purple? I feel like it looks really blue. Amethyst is purple, right? You know what would have been cool? If I used like UV activated hair dye? Oh, I should have done that. That's way cooler than this blue purple color. What even is this hair? It looks like I'm in Dragon Ball Z. Beautiful. Let me just do this real fast. I'm literally putting it all over my face. If you look at the amount of times I've dyed my hair, you would think that I would be pretty good at it by now. But honestly, like my entire head It's covered in hair dye. I'm just quickly going to comb it all through to make sure that it's like spread out evenly. My hair is at such a weird length. Let me just put like... Okay, so the hair dye is in my hair right now, as you can see. I don't really like the color so far. I mean, it looks kind of blue to me. I don't know how it looks like on camera, but in real life it definitely looks like more of a blue than a purple. So that wasn't really the color I was going for. But if I look at my hands, I actually really like this color. So I hope that it will eventually turn out to be this color. But you know, we kind of have to see. It's not that I can like take the color out of my hair right now, so I just have to live with the choices that I made in my life. So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about an hour or so. I don't know what the packaging says. Let me see. Do not apply to scalp, but half an inch from scalp. I did not listen to those directions at all. Leave in for 30 minutes or longer for more intensity at heat. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it in for an hour and then I'm gonna rinse it out with cold water as they recommend. And then I'll be back to show you guys the end result. My entire face is covered in hair dye. Even like it's even on my nose. So yeah guys, this is the end result. It is really dark and also I still feel like it's blue and not purple. I'm just not entirely sure what I think of it. I don't hate it, but I definitely don't love it either. I wanted it to be a different kind of purple because like the pictures I looked online of this hair dye, they look different than what my hair looks like right now. It looks so blue and I still have hair dye on my face, but honestly I can't be bothered to take that off. Yeah, this is my hair. Like I wanted it to be the color of my pants and I'm gonna try if I can show you guys what they look like. This color, it is this color. And the color of my sunglasses. Yeah, this is easier to show. I want it to be more of this color and it definitely is more blue. Yeah, I didn't know it was going to be like this blue, but you know, it is fine, it's okay, I don't hate it. I think I'm just gonna wash my hair like very intensely. A very rough wash, so like some of the color gets out and it gets a little bit lighter, and I might add a little bit of pink to it, or I'm just gonna keep it like this. I don't know, it's just not the color that I wanted, but I'm not too mad at it. It is really dark too. Like I feel like I've never had hair that was this dark, except for like my black and gray, but that was only half of my hair. So yeah, let me know in the comments down. Pablo, please stop attacking the mirror. It's just a reflection of yourself. Oh my god, if you would just see what Pablo is doing right now. There's no other cat. It's just you. It's Pablo. Stop it. Come. Come, puppy. Come. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. He always listens to me when I call him. Hey. You're so cute. Oh, sorry. You're so cute. What was I saying? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this hair color. If you like it, if you don't like it. I don't think I'm gonna have this hair for too long. I'm just gonna wash it a lot so it gets lighter. And maybe I have lilac hair. That will be very nice. So I want to thank you guys for watching another hair dyeing video. I hope you like it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.